Okay. Pleasant good morning to you all. Welcome to Cruising with a Case Handler, a show on personal injury law. I want to say much respect, Mr. Handler. Welcome, Mr. Handler. How are you feeling today, Mr. Handler?
What's
you
up,
good?
buddy? How you doing? Yeah. Doing the show from my kitchen, which is, I guess at first I should be doing like a cooking show. It'd be like cooking with the Case Handler instead of cruising with the Case Handler. But for those of you watching right now on Facebook or Instagram, you'll see that I'm sitting right in front of my refrigerator, trying to get some work done. I'm just resetting the Wi-Fi on my computer in my home office, and listen, I don't care what seat I'm sitting in. I don't care whether it's over the phone or over the internet. The message is the same, Squeeze, and that's that I'm here to provide exceptional legal representation for you and your family if, God forbid, you're ever in an accident. So with that said, I want to say good morning. It's Friday. We made it through another week. And, of course, I'm Adam Handler, your case handler. And what's going on, Squeeze? How was your week been?
Everything is pretty good, man. I'm just, trying to figure out, so what's been going on with you? Let me show my kitchen also a little bit there,
Yeah, right. The cruising, right? You're in your kitchen. I'm in my kitchen. We're talking about the week. It looks like it's gonna be a nice weather this weekend, so that's all good. But I gotta tell you, Squeeze, the phones have been ringing. People really been getting into accidents at a frequency that I haven't seen since pre-COVID. Pre-COVID, every day we're getting multiple calls of people, and also, unfortunately, very, very serious accidents. We got a case last week that I represent two passengers in a vehicle. Their friend was driving way too fast. They lost control, and the driver actually died. Their friend died from the injuries. Wow. It was a one-car accident. They were on the on the Bruckner, and really sad situation. I represent the two friends that were passengers. They both got very serious injury. They were in the hospital for one of them was in the hospital for 5 days. The other one in the hospital for a week. Fracture, lacerations to their body. They're lucky to be alive, but a tragic case. And I always am so grateful that these individuals think of me first, because there really are so many other options out there. I'm not saying they're good options, but there are certainly options. Attorneys on billboards or on TV, in the newspaper, even on this radio station, trying to tell you that they're the right ones for you. But those of you listening to me right now, most likely you've been listening to me since September of 2005, the longest running, most successful attorney, of course, on this radio station's history, the most celebrated personal injury attorney, and of course, dubbed by you and many other DJs as the people's attorney. And I wear that badge with great honor. I do, Squeeze.
Absolutely. And ladies and gentlemen, before we go any further, it's very important that we make sure that you have the number for Adam Handler, attorney at law. And yes, he's right. He has settled well over $150 million for his clients, proudly, of course. A man who has so much zest. It's unbelievable. He loves his job. He loves what he does for his client. He loves to see the smile on their faces. And I love what it is that he does. So let's make sure that you have the number, which is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPID-LAW. And if you can right now, I would love to make sure that you also follow him on the socials, whether that be Facebook, The Case Handler, the same thing on Instagram, The Case Handler. But also, maybe you're driving in your car and you can't actually store the number now. Just remember The Case Handler, and you can Google him at any time and just tell him that you heard us speaking on the radio. How many times people tell you that they've heard us on the radio, Adam?
Oh, so many times. I mean, I had a guy come in 2 days ago, car accident case, broken ankle. And the first thing he said to me is, I thought you were shorter. You sounded shorter on the radio. Now, I'm 5'7". All right. Nobody's ever said I was tall, but he thought I was short. I'm like, how short did you think it was? I mean, How
Yeah.
squeaky is my voice? Am I like a
Your name
munchkin?
Kevin Hart?
Like, yeah, exactly. So, no. All kidding aside, though, people do listen. People know my story. It's unbelievable how many times somebody will come into my office and say, "I've been following you since your days at that other law firm. I remember when you started your own practice. I remember when you started going by the name of the case center." And people know the story. It's amazing that for so many years, people actually listen. And then ultimately, right, they need my help. And I always say it, Squeeze, I don't care, how charitable you are, how much of a family person you are, whether you pray on it every day. Bad things happen to good people. It's just a matter of time, ladies and gentlemen, that you or somebody that you care about is going to get into an accident. And that could be a construction accident, a workplace accident, a car accident, a slip or trip and fall, medical malpractice. There are so many different ways to get injured out there and so many different injuries. But while you can never,
For real, what?
Oh, sorry.
while you can never truly prepare for that accident, because if you could, it wouldn't happen. You can prepare for your response. And I certainly hope, ladies and gentlemen, that, listening to this show so many years, your response is going to be the same as the thousands of people before you, and that's to choose the case handler or choose Adam Handler as your attorney for that one and only shot, because maybe we don't stress this enough. There are no redos, right?
Yeah.
There are no redos. You get one shot to get it right, one chance to get it right, and that's why we dubbed that catchphrase, one chance, one choice,
One case.
one case handler. And I'm here for you. $150 million plus. Can't be wrong, Squeeze. We're already over 15 million this year alone. I mean, I think it was on with DJ Nico yesterday. I think we're at 15,128,000 for case handler clients this year. So incredible work we've been doing these past years, and big part of that was that, of course, that $5.75 million settlement, which is the biggest settlement I've ever negotiated in my career. Very exciting. And listen, doesn't matter who you are, where you're from, or what you're doing here. If you're hurt in New York, I don't care if you're in status, out of status, from Mexico or the moon, you're entitled to money under the law. And you'd be very, very pleased to know, Squeeze, that a lot of that 15 million plus this year alone has gone to immigrants and even some out of status immigrants.
Wow. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you're in tune to Cruising with a Case Handler, a show on personal injury law. I'm going to ask Adam to expound on this testimony. Don't worry, Adam. I got this, I think. Okay.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
Hey, what's going on?
Not much, man. I got some good news for you. We got you a settlement.
Oh, what? Oh my God. I was half expecting this call to be like, no, we have the important meeting coming up. For real, though?
Get ready for this. 99,500.
Oh, man. Sorry I had to do
You
that.
missed it again.
I was excited, man. That's what it's all about, people. A lot of people get very excited.
So for people just listening, saying, "What the heck was that?" So, for some clients that I know are very vocal and animated, and I know that guy has always been throughout the course of this case. I've been like calling them and recording the conversation. Of course, I get their permission after to play it, but those are real reactions. There was that other one I recorded. Did I send it to you? And she kept saying, "Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God." That was that case was 99,500, but then it was a $1.2 million settlement. I wish I was able to share that stuff on my phone. Can I do that? You know what? Talk for a second. Let me see if I can pull that out.
I don't know if you can do that on your phone.
Yeah, I can't do it on my phone, but I'll play it Monday. You'll have to tune in. But ladies and gentlemen, the results are real. The testimonials are real. Yeah. Oh, you got them? Oh, awesome.
Let me play another one, man.
Adam Handler.
Hey, Adam, how you doing?
I'm great. I have some very, very good news for you.
Yeah?
Are you sitting down?
Okay, I'm going to sit down now.
All right. do me a favor. Sit in a safe place.
Okay. All right.
Safe place.
I got you the settlement we've been working on.
What did you just say?
I said, I got you the settlement that we're working on. Are you ready for this?
Go ahead. I'm listening.
Last time we spoke, how much money did they have?
$650.
1,200,000.
Oh my God. Adam. OMG. Oh my God. Jesus. My God.
You're a millionaire.
Where is she sitting?
Oh my God. Oh my God, Adam. Adam, oh my God. Oh my God.
You sound more animated.
My God.
This is
Adam.
yes.
Oh my God.
Who's the best?
You're the best.
Who's the case handler? Who's the case handler? You tell me right
I'm
now.
on my toilet.
The best seat right now.
Wait, you're on your toilet? Oh,
Yeah. I just thought about it. I was in a spot I could sit.
oh, that was the good play. That's where you're sitting. That's where you're getting this news. Oh, all right. Well, at least I'm not interrupting anything. I cannot believe it. I'm so.
My favorite is take a seat. So I saw the toilet. I just on the toilet.
I am so happy for you, my friend. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much, Adam.
It's amazing.
So right now I'm out of town. I come back in on Monday. So what do we do from now?
So you're back Monday?
Yeah, I'll come back on Monday. I'll come back on Sunday.
Hang on.
I'll be home by Monday.
Wonderful, man. I mean,
Dude, I mean that's the real deal. That, ladies and gentlemen, that is not a paid spokesperson. That is not somebody that is receiving compensation to endorse the case handler. That is somebody that had a real accident and a serious accident. She's getting 1.2 million. That settled 2 weeks ago. 1.2 million pedestrian that was hit by a car. You know, very serious injuries.
Right there.
Of course, 1.2 million, man, tax free. That she doesn't even have a social security number. I mean, she's in added status. She's working on obtaining status here in the country. I mean, that is unbelievable numbers, an unbelievable result. And ladies and gentlemen, results are all that matter. I don't care who's the biggest, who's the baddest, who's the loudest. You want the best possible attorney fighting for you and your family for that one and only shot. You should take down this number, 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529. One more time, 844-774-3529. Often imitated, never duplicated. You know who I am. I'm your case handler. You know what I do. I get you the money you deserve, regardless of who you are, where you're from, or what you're doing here. One chance, one choice, one case handler, baby. Case handler Cesso.
Case handler Cesso.
Case handler Cesso.
All right, don't do it, man. Don't do it, man. Stay away from the potwa, man.
All right.
844-774-3529. That's 844-PPIDLAW. 844-774-3529. Have yourself an amazing one, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you get out there, get some sunshine, get the vitamin D, and enjoy life. Adam, thank you so much. We'll catch up and speak soon.
Appreciate it, Squeeze.